Long ago, before the jungle learned to whisper at night, and before the stars learned where to shine, there was a place full of magic, friendship, and adventure. This was the Golden Jungle, and in the Golden Jungle lived a very special elephant. Her name was Ellie. Elephant Ellie was not the fastest animal, she was not the loudest, and she was not the smallest. But Ellie had something far more powerful. She had a brave heart. Ellie loved helping others. She helped birds reach high branches, carried water for tired animals, and listened kindly when someone felt sad. Every morning, Ellie walked through the jungle, greeting everyone with a gentle trumpet. "Good morning," she'd say happily. Ruling over the jungle was Leo the Lion King. Leo had a golden mane that shined in the sunlight and a strong roar that echoed through the trees. He was fair, wise, and protective. When Leo walked by, animals bowed their heads with respect. Leo made sure everyone followed the jungle rules. Share with others, protect the weak, never use strength to be mean. Leo believed a good king must have wisdom, not just power. Leo admired Ellie. She may be quiet, he often thought, but she has courage. One afternoon, dark clouds rolled across the sky. The wind howled, the trees shook, rain poured down like falling drums. A powerful storm swept through the jungle. When the storm finally passed, the animals came out slowly, blinking at the sunshine. Then they saw it. The great river, the jungle's only water source, was completely blocked by fallen trees and rocks. The animals panicked. "Our water!" cried the deer. "We can't drink!" chirped the birds. "The crops will dry," worried the hippos. Without water, the Golden Jungle could not survive. Lion King Leo climbed onto Pride Rock. "Do not be afraid," he said firmly. "We will fix this together." But when the strongest animals tried to move the fallen trees, nothing worked. The logs were too heavy. The rocks were too large. The jungle grew quiet. Elephant Ellie watched carefully. She felt nervous. Her heart beat fast. "What if I fail?" she thought. "What if I'm not strong enough?" But then Ellie remembered something her mother once said. "Being brave doesn't mean you're scared. It means you help anyway." Ellie stepped forward. "I can try," she said gently. Some animals whispered, "An elephant? She's kind, but this is dangerous." Leo looked at Ellie closely. Then he smiled. "Bravery begins with trying," said the Lion King. Ellie walked to the river. She planted her feet firmly into the mud. She wrapped her strong trunk around the biggest tree. She took a deep breath, and she pushed. The ground shook. The water splashed. The tree began to move. "Push, Ellie!" cheered the animals. With one final effort, splash! The tree rolled away, and water rushed freely down the river once again. The jungle erupted with cheers. The monkeys danced, the birds sang, the frogs croaked happily. Lion King Leo stepped forward and bowed his head. "Elephant Ellie, you have saved the jungle." Leo continued, "True strength is not in roaring the loudest, but in standing tall when others need you." From that day on, Ellie was known as Ellie the Brave. As the sun set, Ellie stood beside the river watching the water sparkle. She felt proud, not because she was strong, but because she helped others. The Golden Jungle slept peacefully that night, safe and happy. And Elephant Ellie dreamed sweet dreams, knowing that bravery lives in every kind heart.